Hello, my name is Dr. John Pacey, inventor of the Pacey Cuff urethral control device. Pacey MedTech is proud to bring you the new Pacey Cuff Ultra, a state-of-the-art device for treatment of post-prostatectomy incontinence. The Pacey Cuff has three parts: the upper vascular protective hood, the lower urethral compressive part, which stops urine flow, and the Velcro strap, which maintains the compression between the upper and lower part. The power sleeve is a device which makes the Pacey Cuff more comfortable by preventing pinching and by increasing continence. Apply the power sleeve to the midshaft of the penis and attach the Velcro. It should be snug but not tight. Now apply the Pacey Cuff over the end of the penis and center it on the power sleeve. Center the urethral compressor over the urethra. Compress the top and bottom parts and secure the Velcro strap, noting the number. If you're uncircumcised, leave the foreskin in its natural position. After applying the cuff, be sure that there's no pinching. This can be checked manually and visually. Empty the bladder every 1 or 2 hours by releasing the compression of the Pacey Cuff. There is no need to remove the Pacey Cuff or the power sleeve during urination. If you have difficulty adjusting the Pacey Cuff, watch the adjustment video or contact customer support at Pacey MedTech.